Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva me la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva me la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva me la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva me la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. Like, what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name.
Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. How is everybody doing today? 9:29 a.m. We got a few seconds before the open here. Let's see what this market wants to do today. Where are we? What are we seeing here? If MSTR gets back underneath this 12-day moving average, this resistance line in the 183 zone, this thing has a lot more downside potentially. So I'm going to keep an eye on there for swing trades on puts. Oh, market open right out the gates here. Starting to pull back a little bit. I don't have the chat open here, guys. Give me a second. I'll be there soon. Gotta log into my other accounts here where I have more evals to work on. Boom. All right. So, yo, I see everybody in the house. Futures Bets, Joey, Internet Explorer, The Beast, what's up? Kier, what's going on, guys? What platform? That's what you're seeing right now is Tradeovate. Ronnie Trades, what's up, man? Man, I don't know how to pronounce your name, brother. Let me see here. I'm gonna tag you. What is that? Like, I don't know how to pronounce that, brother. But I always see you in the stream, and I appreciate you. Maybe you can teach me. You can sound it out in the chat somehow. Future Bet says trying to max out accounts for all your affiliate partners. No. It's just no way. No, because then I would have to use like one of those copy trading tools that I can do cross platforms. So like, you know, be able to trade like 4 or 5 firms at the same time. And I don't like those, man. I don't like those. Man, I know TradeSyncer's been rather quiet recently, so it seems it's been working out pretty good, but I don't know. Nathan's mindset. I'm doing a lot better. And an Explorer, same as that one. Yeah, same crap. I mean, a few months ago, they were all doing horrible. So, any YOLO today, here? I got one YOLO that I'll be jumping on. Tushar, doing much better, man. Thanks for asking. Oh, you know what I just remembered? I don't got no music up in here. Let's go find some music. Is that too loud? Feels a little loud. All right. So the freaking hell. Too much stuff going on here. Damn, market's just want to bounce, huh? Oh, okay, good. I can log back in. Guys, new offering from Tradeify. I posted it in the community section. I think it looks fire. What? Yeah, what do you mean? It's in the thing. Oh, I didn't even mute the damn thing. I was muted when I wasn't supposed to be muted. And then when I was supposed to be muted, I wasn't muted. That might be a sign of things to come for me today, now that I think of it. Looking for a drop here into that 48 zone, but it's not giving it. Not giving it. Damn, this market's being a little bit annoying today, huh? Nice, congrats. Good job. Damn, look at that. Look at the SPY. Just doesn't know which way it wants to go yet. Easy with the chop. Thing is wild right now. If we do break down, this thing will fly, but the SPY is just being super temperamental. That's wild. Very choppy action. Very choppy action. Nice bear flag, man. The problem here is going to be that the trail. Look at the SPY. Look at the chop in that SPY. Lives Trader says, let's go, Mike. Thanks for another great video live. My name is Jesse, sir. What the hell's going on? Literally the name of the channel, my man. I want to ask, how do you trade to become profitable? There's no way to answer that in one. I have an entire trading curriculum. And that's what it takes. It takes years. All this bull crap you see online of it takes 6 months. That's bull crap. It's not true. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot here. Oh shit. I'm just gonna screw up one of my other accounts, aren't I? I freaking put the trade on in the wrong account. Oh, yep. I did that. Can we get out of it? Yes, 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 I got out of it. Okay. Whew. That was a $250,000 account. That was a $250,000 account. That I like how we're starting to curl downward here on the SPY, but that can reverse really quickly, so be careful. I was in a $250,000 account that yesterday I took one trade, made $15,000 on that eval at Apex. I was in that account. I almost lost that account, you know, without ever being able to even convert it to a damn PA, because I already got all 20 PAs. I think that definitely is going to... I'm $200 away from passing my funded futures 50K account. I blew up 150K that I was 50% done with. Today's definitely not a day. I could tell right out the gates. So I'll just probably YOLO that Apex, that 50K Apex I have, and take it rather easy, to be honest. This bear flag looks so damn good. If it breaks back up over here, it could get saucy, but it looks really good. Futures Bet says, you trade more than just futures markets, right? How do you manage your time for trading the futures market as well as others like options all at the same time? Or no? Ah, bitch. See, I knew it was going to do it. The trail got me. The trail got me. Brother, I don't really do a whole lot of equities trading, you know. I do here and there. But what I do it, honestly, it's on the phone on Robinhood, in a retirement account. That's what I do on there. I rarely ever trade in my regular equities account, just because what I did there is I kind of just made it into a long-term account, and I have good stuff in there, right? I got, I'll log in. Let's see what we got cooking. Damn, man, that's such a good setup, but I'm not in the right mindset today. I don't know what's, well, I know what's going on. Black Diamond, thanks, man. I'm definitely way better than I was a month ago. Like, way better. See, like, this is what my equities account looks like. At least my taxable personal one, not my retirement one. I don't know if that's coming out real good there. We got VOO, Tesla, SoFi, Nvidia, Google, and Amazon. Up 131% on that portfolio, $27,222 in profits. Unrealized, of course. We're up killer on Google, 175%. We're up 124% on Amazon. Up 104% on Nvidia. Up 393% on SoFi. And up 122% on Tesla. Bringing my equities total up to 183%. And then my ETF VOO is up 68.5%. Yeah, right. Look, believe me, if I had 183 million bucks, I wouldn't be on YouTube. Damn, bro, look at that. Oh, such a sweet setup. Oh, what am I doing? What am I even doing? All right, so the SPY getting back down there towards a potential bounce support zone. But if that cracks, watch out below. Yeah, anybody who won an account that was already sent over to TPT, congrats. So just be watching your dashboard for when they apply the credit. They got to take the credit out of my account and put it in your account. Damn, bro, this thing is crazy chopping. Like, I want you to see something here on this 15-minute chart on the SPY. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. That's why it's so choppy right now. I'm gonna give it a shot here. See if we can get down there to 440 land. Not giving it too much room. It'll be easy. God, it'll be so easy to get chopped up today. It's crazy. If we break back up over 500, I'll cut it. Looks like it's gonna screw me. Look at the SPY. SPY just doesn't want to give it up. If it gives it up, you know, we'll dump. But it needs to give it up. Yeah, what do we got? Do we got 10 o'clock news today? No, I don't see anything for 10 o'clock. Somebody open up the trap door already. There we go. Taking one off there. Moving stop quickly to break even zone on the remainder. See if we can break that low. No, don't stop me. I'll break even. Please, for the love of everything, just break the low. Let your man make a few bucks today. Be happy, you know. It's copy traded across 4 accounts, brother. So it's one. I had 2 minis on each account. Now I have 1 mini because I already took profit on one and moved the stop to break even. But I really need that low to break. Otherwise, it's just going to stop me out for a small 3-tick loss. Oh, here it comes. 3-tick loss. Ah. Good. We made $553 across 4 accounts. A little something, something. A little something, something. You know, blew up 2 evals, but at least made money on 4 PAs. 4 of my 20 PAs. It'll probably dump it. But you know, man, look at this. Look at this. Look at the SPY. Jesse, why do you look at the SPY? Because the SPY is the boss, bro. And look at this 15-minute chart right now. We took profits off right in front of that zone on the NQ. And where are we bouncing off of? Right there again. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Every single time we've gotten down there. Look at this. Are you guys seeing this? Previous resistance broken to the upside. Oh, but your fair value gaps and all the bullshit, and all the fancy things that people say. Support and resistance, bro. You don't gotta complicate this crap with fancy names. I mean, I guess it's good for marketing, right? But then you gotta feel like a douchebag because you're telling people all this fancy crap just to market. That's probably why I don't sell more courses or have 100,000 subscribers. Because I just tell it to you how it is. You don't have to overcomplicate this in the least bit. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Oh my God, we're bouncing. Why are we bouncing? Because we've bounced a billion times already at this level. Does that mean it's always going to hold? No, that's why we manage risk and we set stop losses, right? If you would have gotten long down there, you would have set a stop underneath that support level. I was short above that level on that rejection of the bear flag, you know, as we start to break down on underneath the bear flag, I added to the position. Where was my first take profit? Or where was my first cover? At that low, at that level. Somebody asked earlier how I trade, giving you a little crash course. I took my first piece of profit there and I immediately moved my stop to break even. It was 3 ticks and loss, whatever, 3 ticks. But why? Because we've bounced at this zone a million times. If we were to get short, you know, if we bounced all the way back up here, I get short, let's say in front of this zone, where do you think I'm going to put my stop loss? Above the zone. It's not rocket science. Disciplined futures trader, what's up? Internet Explorer, I like it. Oh, speaking of, are my puts on master underwater? Yes, they are. I took it yesterday, and I'm going to probably stop out of them here pretty soon because you see this line that I have drawn here? It coincided with the 12-day moving average. We scroll back and look at that level. Resistance. Just beautiful resistance. Prior to breaking out, we got back underneath it. I thought, you know what? Maybe it's a good little area for a quick rejection. So far, we haven't really rejected it. I might give it the day, and I'll see what's up. What is happening with this music?
All I ever wanted was $10 million cash quick. All I ever wanted was $10 million cash quick. Throw it on the floor cause I'm a bad bitch cabbage.
All right.
Yeah, it's going down, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down. Whole time, trap bleeding. We still with them. Freedom guys.
Yeah, just ain't right. It was 4 minis, but it was across 4 accounts, meaning each account had 1. So at one point, you probably saw 8 minis because each account had 2. I was copy trading.
Rose voice, big pimpin', like that old hove, old white, made back like a snow globe. We keep dripping. Van Cleef.
The beast said, check the hourly chart.
Big faces.
Hourly chart.
She gon' get paid if she want to. We gon' get paid if we want to. She gon' get paid.
Yeah, even cleaner.
We gon' get paid when we stay
Look at that.
hardcore. We don't trust them boys. Win or lose. Stay aggressive. Points going up.
Nice, Rohit. Alright, that 500 zone again, holding resistance there. I'm pretty much done on the trades for myself today, to be honest. But what I'm not done with is giveaway. Giveaway time, giveaway time. Let's see what we got here. Let me open up my bag of tricks. Oh, we got 10 a.m. action there. Today I have to film, guys, so I won't be around on the stream very much longer. But in the meanwhile, if you're ready for a giveaway, type the number 1 in chat. Let me know you're ready to rock and roll. Love to see it. So the way this giveaway is going to work is super simple. I'm going to post the link in chat with the coupon code. Your job is to be fast. Ready, set, go. There's your coupon code. There's your link. Click and go get your free accounts.
She calling me crazy. I feel like Supreme ain't back in the 80s. I'm talking my like some shady.
Says wrong LI. So some people are getting accounts and others aren't. What's going on here? Yeah, it sounds like some of you guys probably didn't copy and paste it right, or who knows, or maybe it's over. Oh, I see why you're getting the link error, because the free is attached to it. Like when I hit enter, for some reason it didn't give a space between both the word and the link. That's why some people are getting it, others aren't. Gustavo says he's got it. Kier said he got one. Wild Worlds Animated got one. Let's go. Geo5 got a 100K account. Congrats, congrats. Tushar got one. Let's go. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think they extended the special. Let me see. Damn, look at that crazy candle on the spot. No, I don't think they extended the special. I wonder what they're gonna come up with next. They don't have any specials right now, so with my code, all you're gonna get is 50% off at Apex. Damn it. Damn, the candle just stalled out there in front of 25,580. Trader's Nest in the house. What's up with him? What's going on? Ah, I need $6 more so I can get this my funded futures account passed. What? That is so whack. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to switch over to a micro now. What happened here? Oh, got it. Okay, cool. We're done. All right, one my funded futures account passed 50K one. Wow, World Animated says he's got to move. Well, all right, brother. See you around. New video should drop tomorrow or Friday. I'm gonna work on it today. My main bread and butter strat: buy low, sell high. Sell high and buy low. Just simple. It's just trade patterns, trade setups, support and resistance. That's it. All right, so we made $500 and something on 4 Apex PAs, passed one My Funded Futures 50K Pro account. And what else did we do here? $3,900 on a 150K Take Profit Trader account, eval. $3,600 on another Take Profit Trader account. And then blew up one Take Profit Trader account and one My Funded Futures and one Take Profit Trader. No, I'm sorry. One Take Profit Trader, one My Funded Futures, and one Apex eval. But I have now, I don't know, like, I have 20 PAs at Apex plus like another 6 or 7 accounts that are passed, including a 250K account yesterday. So, like I said, bro, my goal for the month is to just try to acquire as many evals passed to kick off the new year with a bunch of accounts. Rohit, it's really not. It's just balls to the wall, man. It's just going all in YOLO. You know, it's not a YOLO guess. You know, it's like, whoop. No. It's, okay, so where I would have probably traded 1 or 2 minis, right? I'm just trading 10. Or yesterday's case, a 250K account at Apex 27 minis. You know what I'm saying? So it's trading the same type of setup, trying to scalp a little bit, but with full size, meaning it's gonna either pass or blow up. Or I'm gonna with Apex. If it's with the other firms that have a consistency rule, it's either gonna make 25 to 50% of the profit on the the pass, or it's not. It's probably gonna take a big fat L, and then I'll try to dig it out. If not, it'll just blow up. That's Tradeovate. Wait, what are you looking at? Oh, no. That's TC2000 that you're seeing, which is what I use for charting equities. That's Tradeovate. TC 2000. See here. Used to work at a 5-star hotel, and most of the traders there use TC. TC 2000 is freaking awesome. I love it. To me, it's like the best charting software ever invented. You can keep all the trading view stuff. Internet Explorer, it's freaking amazing. Hold on. What the freaking hell, equities. So you have all your scanners right here, right? Which I use them, but my favorite scanners for equities is Trade Ideas, and you can use coupon code all caps JESSEW with them. I am an affiliate of theirs, even though I don't really promote them much. I don't really trade equities on here much at all anymore. But they are my favorite scanners. But TC 2000 has some pretty decent scanners right here. Then you have all your charting stuff here. You got your tools, bro. You could draw all the stuff you want to draw. If you like to use fibs, which I do for equities, you could have been like, okay, we gapped down this morning. Let me see if there's a fib level on the bounce back. You had not much going on with fibs in that case for a bounce back to get short. But bro, you got so many tools. You got your arrows that you can use that you see here. Right, it's just super clean. I love it. It's hands down my favorite charting software when it comes to equities. And it's not expensive at all. T. Cooper, my first stock platform was TC 2000 in 1989. TC 2000 been around forever as a staple. But yeah, I love it. It's my favorite by far. All right, so I'm gonna have to reset that 150K account at My Funded Futures. I really wanted that one. Kind of bogus that I failed it. I got too ahead of myself on that trade with it. All right, what does a reset of this 150K account cost? $477. Fuck no. Don't let that thing renew itself next month. You crazy? $477. No. I don't give a damn how much money I make or have. I ain't spending $477 on a reset. What? I had no idea it was that much. Is that why you guys just buy new accounts on them? Golly. Is there a specific goal that you do on your funded? Yeah, make money. That's it. I have no goal. Like, I have no target and I need to make 20,000 bucks or not nonsense like that. I just trade. My goal is to try not to blow it up and mitigate my losses. No, prop firms don't offer TC 2000. TC 2000 is equities. All right, man. What do we got going on here? 10:15 a.m. All right. So, guys, I'm going to be working on a new video today, hoping that I can get it dropped tomorrow on the channel. If not, it'll come out on Friday because today is Wednesday already. So it's going to come out between tomorrow or Friday, the video. I'm not going to trade anymore today. I'm done. We made money on 4 PAs and passed a couple of accounts. So not bad. Well, actually passed one account and then added profits to a couple others. So not bad. I got to get to work on that video. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. It's a little bit of a shorter stream today because of that, but we did stream on Monday as well and had a video on Monday. Next week we'll be back to Wednesday stream again, like today. But next week will probably just be one stream just on Wednesday. But I'm going to work on this video because it's going to be a video that it's going to require a lot of detail. So I need some time for it. All right. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. Congrats to those of you who were able to get an account today for free. We'll have more free giveaways next week on next week's stream. And of course, in the upcoming videos, we'll do some more giveaways. So keep it green. Be careful. It's choppy as crap. I mean, honestly, look at the SPY. Like, what even is that? This is what we've done today. Here's what we've done today. That's, that's wild. We haven't done a damn thing. So pretty good day to just go relax and enjoy the weather. All right. Take it easy. See you in the comment section.